Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the best AI tools to make money in 2026. Artificial intelligence is changing the world very fast. People are now using AI to make videos, write content, edit photos, create websites, and even start online businesses. The best part is you do not need to be a professional programmer to use these tools. In this video, I will show you some of the most powerful AI tools that can help beginners earn money online. So let's begin. Number 1 is ChatGPT. OpenAI created ChatGPT, and it is one of the most powerful AI tools in the world. People use ChatGPT to write scripts, create blog posts, make business ideas, write emails, and even learn new skills. You can make money with ChatGPT by offering freelance writing, creating YouTube scripts, starting a blog, or selling digital products. Many people are already earning money by using ChatGPT to save time and increase productivity. For example, a person can use ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts for clients. Another person can create ebook summaries and sell them online. Number 2 is Canva AI. Canva is not only a design tool anymore, it now has AI features that help people create thumbnails, presentations, social media posts, and videos very quickly. You can use Canva AI to design YouTube thumbnails, make Instagram posts, create resumes, or build simple business presentations. Many freelancers earn money by designing content for small businesses using Canva. Even beginners can start learning Canva in a few days. Number 3 is CapCut AI. CapCut is becoming extremely popular among YouTubers and TikTok creators. CapCut AI can generate subtitles, remove background noise, create automatic edits, and add effects very quickly. This helps content creators save many hours. You can use CapCut to edit videos for clients or grow your own YouTube channel. Short-form videos are very popular in 2026, and video editors are earning a lot of money. Number 4 is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs creates realistic AI voices. Many faceless YouTube channels use AI voices instead of recording their own voices. You can use ElevenLabs to create audiobooks, YouTube narrations, motivational videos, and educational content. People who do not want to show their face or use their real voice love this tool. Number 5 is Midjourney. Midjourney helps users create AI images and artwork. You can use AI art to sell posters, create book covers, design thumbnails, or make social media content. Some creators even sell AI-generated art online. Number 6 is Notion AI. Notion helps users organize work and increase productivity. Students, freelancers, and business owners use it to write notes, manage projects, and plan content. People make money by selling templates, teaching productivity, or helping businesses organize workflows. Number 7 is Shopify AI. Shopify now includes AI tools for online stores. You can create product descriptions, generate advertisements, and improve online marketing with AI. Many beginners start small online stores using Shopify and AI tools together. Now let's talk about the biggest opportunity in 2026. The biggest opportunity is combining AI with YouTube. You do not need expensive cameras anymore. Many successful channels are faceless. People use AI voice tools, AI video editors, AI image generators, and ChatGPT scripts. This allows one person to create many videos quickly. Educational channels, finance channels, AI tutorials, and motivational storytelling channels are growing very fast. But there is also an important warning. Many people are uploading low-quality AI content. Because of this, competition is becoming harder. To succeed, your videos must teach something useful, have good storytelling, and provide real value. Do not spam content. Focus on quality. Now let's discuss the advantages of using AI tools. First advantage, AI saves time. Second, AI helps beginners start businesses with low cost. Third, AI increases productivity. Fourth, AI allows people to work from home. But there are also disadvantages. Some people become too dependent on AI. Others create fake or low-quality content. Another problem is competition. Since AI tools are easy to access, many people are entering the same niches. That is why creativity and consistency are very important. Now, here is my recommendation for beginners. If you are new, start with ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut. These 3 tools are enough to start YouTube, freelancing, content creation, or online business. The future belongs to people who learn AI early. AI is not replacing everyone, but people who use AI may replace people who refuse to learn it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. Which AI tool do you want to try first? See you in the next video.